Hello everybody, welcome to part 3 of Minesweeper series, where we are creating Minesweeper game in C++ using SFML library. If you haven't watched the previous part, then go check it out. I am super excited about this series. So, in this video, we will learn about the flood fill algorithm using breadth first search, and we will finalize our game. For those who haven't seen the part 1 and part 2, let me tell you that this series have beginners to advanced level concept where we will be learning about some graph algorithms, and I think you guys will also enjoy and learn from this series. So let's get started. Let's check if the clicked square contains 0. If so, then we will reveal the neighboring square containing zeros. So, we have two matrices named grid and sgrid. First, let's understand what we want. When the player will click the square containing 0, then the connected square containing 0 should be get revealed. For now, let's consider this much grid. We want sgrid to result like this. For that, we will use flood fill algorithm. Let's understand with example. If we have this matrix, in this we need to change all the connected zeros from click square to 3. For that, we will use flood fill algorithm. For flood fill algorithm, we can use depth first search or breadth first search. But for this, we will use the breadth first search to avoid the stack overflow problem. Let's understand flood fill algorithm. We will use queue data structure to store the visited square. We will check in down, right, up, left directions. If any of these square contains 0, then we will visit that square and push it into the visited queue. We will do the same for all the connected square which containing 0. Let's jump to the pseudocode for reveal neighbor function. We will require a queue which will store pair of row and columns. We will require the direction vector dx and dy. Now we will run a while loop until the queue is empty. We will store the front row and column and then we will pop it. Then we will check for all the 4 directions. If the new row and new column is valid and it contains 0, then we will push it to the visited queue and mark it visited. You can download these notes. I have provided the drive link of these notes in the description section. Now let's code it. Let's go to game.hpp. Let's include queue and vector libraries. Now let's build and run it. Here you can see all the square containing zeros that are connected to the clicked square are getting revealed. Now we want the number just immediate to the connected zeros should be revealed. For that we will check in all the 4 directions and reveal it. We will check if the n row and n column are greater than or equal to 0 and less than 12 for all the directions. Here you can see the number immediate to the 0 are getting revealed. Now, if the players click on the square containing mine, then we will reveal all the unrevealed mines and display the game over text. It is easy. We will traverse the reference grid and assign the squares containing 9 to the show grid. Now let's build and run it. Here you can see when we click on the square having mine, then all the other mines are getting revealed and the game over text is also getting printed out. Now let's add a logic for flagging. When the player will press the right mouse button, then we should flag that clicked square. Let's build and run it. Here you can see the flagging is working properly. Next, we will check if the player has successfully completed the game. For that, we will check if there are no unrevealed tiles except the tiles containing mine. Let's build and run it. Now, let's add the logic for resetting the games. When the player will press R button, then we will reset the game. Now let's build and run it. Congratulations! Appreciate yourself for creating game in C++ using SFML library. You can now add more GUI elements in this game and some more features. If you want me to make a video for this, then comment it down. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for such more programming related tutorials. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy coding!